So this is a old Mako go-kart. We got a Predator motor. We got a seat that has a bunch of bolts that are broken off.
Yeah.
Crappy paint.
Leo wants to ride this.
Yeah, your friend wants to ride in it, doesn't she? So we're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna go buy some spray paint, right? We'll paint it up. Get it all pretty. What color should we paint it?
Pink.
We'll do red and black. Does that sound good?
I will do pink.
Yeah, you will like pink. Alright, I got my two Rust-Oleum cans mixed up. I'm rocking the N95 because I don't want to be blowing boogers that are black and red. Before everyone just thinks I'm a hack, I did not cover the rims and the tires because I was going to put new tires on and I was going to repaint the rims after the tires got put on. You'll also note that there's a little propane torch to keep it at optimum painting temperature. I noted later that I didn't care because this was a rental. Joke's on me, it took me about 4 hours of cleaning to get this place to the point where I'd get my security deposit back when I moved out. So be careful and use a tarp. Alright, so I got the heater going. This is how it turned out. Pretty freaking nice over here. Just blasted that frame right there. And then, whoo, 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 whoo. I still need to do the wheels. But man, this is a rental, so I don't really care. But I'm gonna let this cure overnight, slap the two back on, put the engine on, hook up a throttle cable, switch out the tires, and that's all she wrote. So once again, we're gonna let this cure. Man, I cannot be happier. All right, so this is the go-kart project. I painted these wheels with this Rust-Oleum pink. Literally the worst spray paint I've ever used. Clogged up 2 different nozzles. But I painted the backs just with some black. Turned out real nice. I ended up trying to JB weld this seat back together. It's wood going into metal. And it looks like it held in place. So that's a bueno on JB Weld's behalf. I was gonna JB Weld right here when I put it in because there's no nut. So I was gonna zing some, or I mean there's no bolt, it's broken off. So I'm gonna zing some on there and JB Weld that, plop it in. That way we'll have that way we'll have some support. And then I got this back piece on. The seat's not the best, but I'll wipe it down and put a little leather conditioner on it and slap it in. So right now, we're gonna put the wheels back on. I'm gonna put some grease on all 4 of the axles. Is that what we're calling it? I got the roll cage on. Everything's working well. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some white lithium grease, spray it on there, and then slap everything on. Are you adjusting things, Bentley? Jimmy, how's it looking? Broken the engine. Using some 10:30. Got all the mounts and some new holes drilled, repainted that plate. I think it's ready to get the oil change done on that and slap it all together. Alright guys, my go-kart was an absolute pleasure to build. Had an absolute riot with it, so simple. All in it was about 350 bucks because I already had the frame, but you can buy those frames super cheap online. So if you've been debating it, do it. They're simple and fun. And one pro tip, have somebody else do the tires, because I paid someone 100 bucks. I'm about 350 bucks in that. I'm so happy because I don't have to remember every time that I tried to take those tires off, because the guy that did it said it took him an hour to tire. Thanks, John. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see me go rip it around like a Jeep trail or something, let me know. And if you're like me and have a wife that questions if you need a go-kart as a grown man, just say it's for your kids. That's what I did.